The real question is not if you have the time to spend with your kid, but what you do together with the time you've got. As soon as I brought home the table and the first set of tools, something amazing happened. Instead of just watching TV, we actually started to spend some time together. And it's not like I'm some DIY freak, you know. My wife does the fixing around the house. It's interesting that by working on something else, we actually started talking about school and his interests. This really brought us closer together. This whole experience reminds me of the great time I spent with my dad when I was a kid. So what happens is we meet at the table, which is our hangout place, and we just have a great time together. There's no doubt that our work has created this new kind of bonding for us. We build and create stuff together. It's all very diverse and it just keeps evolving. Every time it's something new and different. Daniel just can't get enough. I mean, he can't wait to start our next project, and he's bragging about our work at school with the other kids. What can I say? It makes me proud. It's our thing. It's our quality time. I wish I had a red toolbox when I was a kid.